Yeah, Sanbora, my face. So, yeah, because I chose lost. Like today, I'm not even like wearing the t-shirt right now because now they didn't lost. Why am I saying lost? They actually like drew, but it actually feels like it lost available. If I'm being honest, because like I don't know what was actually happening today. It is not even a thing. You would hear I would be crying about some opportunities that we were having many opportunities. Wara in yabo, and like I even sacrificed like because I'm a wolf like studying stuff because of this match, and then and this is what I actually like get about. Like there was a lot going on. Mr. Mapinald always it is part of the game available, but also na Pinald the power behind it, about the power like the generator behind the ball wasn't like enough, and then again upule mode uyascora makascora omunye ubhuti aqedelela umayo vele yabo. So there was just a lot, it was a mistake and stuff, but I couldn't understand what was actually happening. If we can't classify this yabo as like a voodoo, I don't know then what you can actually classify as a voodoo, because today there was a lot.